Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at the Vangoa classical guitar kit, a package designed specifically with new players in mind. This set is presented as a fantastic entry point into the world of music, offering what's described as the best value for beginners. The kit itself is quite comprehensive, aiming to provide almost everything needed to start playing right away. Included with the full-size nylon string classical guitar are essential accessories like a guitar tuner, a capo, a cleaning cloth, a manual to help get started, several picks, a set of spare strings, a handy accessory pouch, and even a pedal. This means it's ready to go straight out of the box, allowing aspiring musicians to begin their journey immediately without needing to purchase additional items separately. Focusing on the guitar itself, the 39-inch classical model is built using premium woods. The description highlights the use of advanced acoustic resonance enhancement technology and mentions that the woods undergo up to 5 years of natural drying. This meticulous process is said to contribute to a better sound quality, producing tones that are bright and clear. The sound is also described as well-balanced with a wide dynamic range, suggesting it can adapt to various playing styles as a beginner explores different techniques. The design of this Vangoa classical guitar incorporates several practical features aimed at making the learning process easier and more comfortable. It features soft nylon strings, which are generally gentler on beginners' fingertips compared to steel strings found on acoustic guitars. The tuning is handled by open high-precision knobs, designed for accuracy and convenience. The fretboard is described as smooth, and the neck has a comfortable C-shape profile. These design elements are intended to provide comfortable grasping and pressing of the strings, as well as making tuning more straightforward, all contributing to an easier learning and playing experience for someone just starting out. While the primary focus appears to be on the classical guitar kit, the information also touches upon a 36-inch acoustic guitar model from Vangoa. This smaller acoustic version features an improved AAA spruce top paired with sapele sides and back. This combination of woods is noted for producing a brighter sound in the high frequencies and a warmer tone in the middle frequencies. The body style of the 36-inch acoustic is described as an orchestra model, which is said to offer a clear and outstanding sound with a well-balanced tone, particularly in the high-frequency range. This acoustic model is suggested as being perfect for genres like fingerstyle, country, and blues music, showcasing a different sound profile compared to the nylon string classical guitar. Overall, the Vangoa offerings seem geared towards providing accessible and feature-rich options for those looking to pick up the guitar, whether they prefer the soft feel of nylon strings or the brighter tone of steel strings on an acoustic.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.